Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a handbag collection. I'm going to try to be more committed this year and give you guys what you guys want to see. My favorite videos to watch on YouTube are handbag related videos. I have a love for handbags, I have a love for fashion, and I just, for some reason, just love seeing other people's collections, other people's opinions and style when it comes to bags or it comes to shoes. So this year I wanted to just kind of collectively show you what I've been collecting for 2018. If you're interested in watching what I have behind me, just keep watching. Alright, so my newest addition is going to be my Fendi Peekaboo. I'm obsessed with this bag. Well, I've been obsessed with everybody's Peekaboo bag. Don't mind me, I have one hand painted and the other one is not. Still working on it today. So this is one of my favorite bags. This is the newest bag I've got in my collection. Kind of looks like this. You guys already kind of know, if you guys are into peekaboos, what it looks like. Has one handle, has a front, has like a divider, so you have two sections on this, you know, two large pockets. It comes with a shoulder, like a crossbody strap, and I just love this bag so much. All right, so that was one. The second one that's fairly new is this one. It is a Philip limb bag. It's white, silver hardware. Absolutely love this. Believe it or not, you guys won't believe it, I picked this up at a thrift store in the city and I knew right away what bag it was. Like, I knew right away, snatched it up, did not question it, and it was $13.99. Yes. I thought about if I wanted to sell it, and I just figured that it's something that I can just keep in my collection, whether it be wearing this for summer, wearing this in winter white, summer white. I felt like I really wanted a white bag, and I just couldn't decide on maybe a designer that I really wanted. So I never really thought about Philip limb, but once I saw this bag, I just thought it was really creative. It opens like this, so it's kind of like a paper clip, which is super cool. It opens like this. Now, the person obviously gave it away, or they were selling it because it was missing a strap. It was missing their strap. But you can see in here, if you can see, it just says Philip limb. 3.1 Philip limb. It has a, you know, a like pocket here and just like an overall large pocket here. It didn't bother me that it was missing a strap because I easily just went on eBay and just picked up a strap. And I love the fact that I can interchange like the different straps on this bag. So I felt like it would be such a great thing to keep in my collection. I think it's fun. You can also obviously use it as a clutch, which, you know, maybe I can. So that was one of the newer things in my collection too. What else? This one. This is, and I'm going to keep this in my designer handbag collection because I picked this up when I was in Paris for my birthday in August. It's by Le Tenier, and I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see the branding. It's a French brand. They've been around since 1898. I just thought it was beautiful leather. Their constructions were really cool. Oh, I love that I find all of this fun stuff in my purse. Hold please. Okay, so it comes with a strap. So I'll show you how that looks. So you can just attach it to the sides here. And then this strap also comes off if you really wanted to take it off. So I love this one. This is the one that stood out to me when I was in France because, one, I knew I wanted to buy a handbag. Two, I love the fact that it looks like a little hat box. I thought it was so adorable. It was probably around like 300 euros. And I love the construction and just the shape of it. I felt like it was just so beautiful, and I loved the metallic, you know, handles on the strap. I just thought it was so beautiful. All right, so my next bag is the Chanel bag. This is my first Chanel bag that I got. I got it for Christmas. It's the mini rectangle in lambskin. It's got gold hardware. It is pre-loved. It was from one of the cruise collections, I think a while ago. But I was on the hunt for a very like cherry red with gold hardware. And for a really long time, Chanel was only doing like reds with silver hardware. So this was really hard to find. I think it's just so soft, and I just I just really love it. Just has a really large pocket and a large crossbody strap, and one of my faves. This bag. This bag is, I would say, like, this is definitely top right now, top 5. I love it. This is a vintage, I guess, vintage piece. It is a mini mama baguette kind of bag, I believe. This is I guess a limited edition because it's got, I'm gonna kind of bring you closer. It's a metallic silver and gray, right? But the mini FFs here are metallic, and I was on a hunt for a silver bag for last summer, and once I came across this, I knew that I loved it. I didn't know, again, you can tell that I was so into mini bags because this bag is extremely small. Like, look how tiny this bag is, but I absolutely loved it. It does come with a short, like, you know, regular strap that it came with originally, and then I decided that I wanted to add chains to it. So I went to Michael's and bought myself some chain and made, you know, I adjusted it to my length and the way I like to carry something. So rather carrying it like this or on the crook of my arm, I added this short chain right here on the Fendi piece, the clasp, and the 2 clasps here. So I added a crossbody strap and a short chain. Now, let's just say that I only wanted to use a crossbody strap. You could literally just kind of stick it right in here. And then all you have is the long one. Vice versa, you can just add this one, the long chain, in and only carry it this way. I just thought it was super, I guess, more modern with the chain. I just find that it just looks more fun. So I love this bag. Love this bag. I wear this bag pretty often. What else is new? This one, I've talked about this one before. This is a Dior, so originally, you guys, I'm sure you guys know, this is a Dior case that I got for Christmas, that came with lipstick. So lipsticks kind of sat in here. The cool thing about it is that you were able to take out that piece and now use this as a clutch. So I thought it was really fun and handy that you could use this, like if you're going to a wedding, if you're going out to dinner, you can literally just hold it in your hand and just carry it as a clutch. Now, I got fancy by putting a belt on it and using it as a waist pouch. I basically just shimmied it through the top, thin belt looping it there. What else is new? This is one I'm using currently. This is another kind of like vintage Fendi bag. I'm on a Fendi kick here. I wanted like a bigger, cool bag that wasn't a tote bag for work. Now, this is the Fendi Mama baguette bag, I guess. It's pretty large. You could fit so much stuff in here. As you can tell, it's got all my stuff in here right now. I'll show you a peek of what I got in here. I did get this recently, a little agenda. It fits my large, I think this is the Emily wallet. It's got like everything. I even stick my food in here. So as you can tell, this is an awesome addition. If you guys are looking for something really cool, very funky, something vintage, get your hands on one of these. Oh, another Chanel. I got this one February, I think. Love this. I really wanted a boy style. I wanted to see if I would love it. I love it. I actually love the boy in this size. I don't know if I would buy another boy. I love like funky colors, funky styles. I love all their seasonal pieces. So if you do see, I love the Gabrielle. So I really want like a small Gabrielle in the navy and black. So that's pretty much on my wish list. One of those is really cool. But for the price that it is, I really need to make sure like that I really am gonna wear it. So Chanel, and then what else? I'm gonna do an updated video on this bag, but this is the Balenciaga first bag. This is a bag that I dyed myself. It's held up perfectly. I've had a lot of questions in regards to how I dyed it, when I dyed it, the process, how well it's held up. And so look out for a video on this one. I do love this one. I really should wear this one more. So I'm gonna do an updated video on this one very soon. The METIS, I wear this one. I still really love this one. I wear this all the time. I mean, I strayed away from this one only because I'm, you know, I like so many other bags, and right now I'm into color, so I don't wear this one as much as I used to. This one, this is probably one of my second luxury handbags that I've ever had, so this one has been around for about 15 years. But I love it. I can't get rid of it. I love it. What else? This one, I have a whole video that I'll link for you of how I wear this as a waist pouch. And so the video that I've created on showing you how to make a waist pouch was how I started really introducing this bag back into my collection. You know, obviously I would never get rid of it because it just brings back so many memories, just not of my husband, obviously, as a gift, but just like in general of like having and collecting luxury handbags for so many years. So as much as I don't really wear this, I think it's great if you did want to wear it as a clutch, if you're going out to dinner, if you're going to weddings, or even now wearing it as a waist bag. I don't know if I talk about this one enough, but I actually really love this one. Now I, of course, love all the really cool bags that I guess aren't really classic pieces. I found this one on Poshmark. I'm sure I talked about it in my last video because it was a recent addition to my handbag collection on my last handbag collection video. I love this one. I love that it's denim. I love that it's brown. I love that it's silver hardware. I love that the FF's logo on here. I love the fact that it's just like so fun and so different. Like, you know, it reminded me of an updated like SPEEDY, of how you can just hold this bag. It's a bucket of fun. I call it a bucket of fun because you can carry so much into this bag. So I really, really love wearing this bag, and I don't reach for it enough because of that reason. But I love it. I'm gonna add this into this collection too. This is a Teddy Blake bag. It is not Hermes. There's a whole thing with Teddy Blake. They reached out, you know, they sent me this one for free, and I can tell you that their leather and their quality is amazing. Like, would I buy another one? Yeah, I would. I thought about it for a really long time. Another color, another style. I really just loved this style. I thought it was so cool and so fun. I love kind of just wearing it open like this. Teddy Blake, why do I keep finding more makeup and more stuff that I forgot that I had? Amazing. This is why you do collection handbags, right? Handbag collections, you know, vice versa. I really loved this style. I really loved the color too. Like, you just know I'm in the color. And I thought it was really cool for summer. Like, I wear this one more summer, and I just really, really love it. So if you guys are thinking about getting a Teddy Blake and you're not like so interested in spending 10 grand on an Hermes handbag, you know, try this out. This is maybe like $300, $400, and it's a really great quality handbag. Like, the leather is amazing. I didn't think that I would love this bag as much as I do. I really do. It's a FERLA bag. Now, I bought this one at Century 21, and it was at an amazing price. It was probably $169. I snatched it up because I didn't have like a pink bag in my handbag collection. I'm not a huge pink fan, but I really wanted to, again, branch into color. I love the little top handle. It is adorable and tiny and cute. I love the little clasp, just like the Louis Vuitton Pochette METIS. It's pretty, like, full. Like, you could definitely add a lot of things in here. I'm not saying like my huge Emily wallet for sure, but as you can see here, you'll have like card slots, so you can actually, you don't even need to put a wallet in here. Really love, you'll see me wear this a lot in the summer. It has these two little sections here where you, little tabs here that you can put a chain. So if you really wanted to wear a crossbody, I sometimes wear a crossbody, and this is the chain you can put there. So I just I don't see myself getting rid of this one. I just find it extremely fun and small and little. So these are the two that, like, you know, fall and then summer. These are the two that I like really love right now. I think that's it. So as you can tell, I've sold a couple things. I've sold some Gucci. I don't actually even have a Gucci bag in my collection. Right now, Fendi is my favorite right now. Stop rambling. So Thank you so much for getting through this video with me. I hope to upload a video a week, whether it be a vlog, whether it be a sit-down video like this, letting it be more accessible for me to just use a small camera in front of me and being able to just sit down and just film something for you guys so that we are all connected and friends. You can always find me on Instagram. I feel like I'm on Instagram a lot more. And say hi. Thanks so much for watching this video. I will add all the links to the bags that I had done a review on before. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks so much again for watching. I hope to see you in my next video and have a great 2019. Bye guys.